back from the shop. Goddamn, this shit was in the shop for 2 months, bro. Like, when I spend money on the vehicle, bro, make sure y'all take it to the right mechanic. My car just got it back. It's been in the shop for 2 months. I get to clean up, washing my laundry late night, so had to get that going. I ain't gonna do nothing too crazy because I just got a new clutch and a new transmission. So he said I can't go too crazy, you know, but I'm gonna get some couple of shifts in, a couple of ref matches. I do not know if it's gonna pick up wind noise. So it's the first POV trying this. And mind you, this is with my iPhone 12, so this ain't no like, you know, get your gadget high-tech camera. And no, I'm not gonna be speeding through this area because this is a residential area. I ain't trying to get police on my ass. I ain't got no time for that. Cause we just spent a couple bands on this damn bullshit. On something that should have been fixed correctly the first time, but when you ain't got that lower bread, man, what the fuck else can you do? You either pay that money or let my car sit in the shop for God knows how long. I'm hoping this view pretty good for y'all. Oh, swerving. God damn. Yup, like I said, got some things, some late night errands type of deal, so I'm just gonna do a couple of, you know, I ain't gonna say pulls, but shit, you know. Hopefully I can hear this exhaust. Get a little rev match real quick. This ain't gonna be a super long video. This is me getting back into the car, feeling out the clutch, cause this is a stage 1 V-Genix clutch, and then apparently a new transmission. I still gotta get the rest of the paperwork and stuff like that. Yeah, man, it's been in the shop for about 2 months, man. I did blow my clutch cause I was going from first to second. And I was like on a slight like bump, so it was spinning at the same time when I tried to slam it into second, and it blew the whole damn clutch. And you know, paid $1,300 for a V-Genix stage 1 clutch. Got that put in. Goddamn sorry ass mechanic, man. It's my fault for going to, you know, that you know, the Pacific person, but yeah, man. Long story short, I got the car back. That motherfucker was scratching in fourth. I'm like, wait a minute, dog. Mind y'all, I ain't never had no issues in fourth gear with this car. Even, you know, obviously when the clutch went, you know, the shit was fucked up. But fourth gear though, they tried to blame it on me and this and that, and I was like, bro, come on, dog. I'm like, bro, how you gonna like, you know, you feel me? Like, how you gonna blame that shit on me? The damn show wasn't me. I know I drive a manual. I mean, I've been driving, granted, I have been only driving manual since I was 19. But still, I know how to drive a car. As you can see, I'm shifting perfectly fine. I can downshift, rev match, catch gears, all that good stuff. So, yeah. Tried to blame me, talking about some, yo, you blew fourth gear. I'm like, nah, bro. Either y'all mechanics are driving my shit, or y'all just put the part in. Cause apparently they were saying, we're having some trouble. I'm like, that's one thing you don't want to hear from no mechanic, man. Like, you having trouble? I'm like, ain't you a transmission shop? Like, how the hell you having trouble? You know, y'all probably can't see my hands. You know, I am low key dark as hell. So, but yeah, like, how you having trouble? That's bullshit. But like, come on, bro, you gotta do better than that. You know, like, whatever you do in life, you know, whether it's work, vlogging, or just saying, you know, anything, man, you gotta put your all into it. So for him to be doing some stupid shit like that, that's low-key wild. So put my seatbelt on. Sorry about that, y'all. Goddamn, why the seatbelt shit ain't pop up? But yeah, man, it's ridiculous, dude. Like, Brevard County, man, if y'all know some like good performance shops, y'all gotta let me know in the comments, man, because I definitely ain't dealing with that shit again. It was like every time a part came, some came up or some on back order. I was 2 months without a whole car. Like, that shit ain't right, man. And they couldn't even give me like a loaner or nothing. Like, this shit is ridiculous. Like, you know, paying on a car that you can't drive, that shit is dumb, if you ask me. Straight dumb. So yeah, got it back. I gotta take it back in a couple 100 miles so they can check up on it and shit. But yeah, I ain't gonna hold you, man, some bullshit. I really want to get a track car. You know, I feel like that can handle my abuse, since I do like the beat shit. I mean, you know, it's just in me. I like beating shit. But yeah, like I said, it's a little quick POV, nothing too crazy. Still got a brake in the transmission and a clutch. I guess. I don't know. I seen other YouTubers, other YouTubers, they got a clutch replaced in like one day. Goddamn, whatever the hell process was. It was 2 months for me, which is ridiculous as hell. Like, I don't understand that. Like, that shit goofy as hell, bro. But yeah, man. So make sure y'all take y'all shit to the shop, man. It's a certified shop. They got down. Well, the shop thing is, the shop is certified. And I don't know. The dude ain't the dude on the shop. You know what he doing? I think it's just the mechanics that he got. They just don't. Trying to find a word. They just not like. I don't think they 100%. If you ask me. You know, you spend a couple thousand on something, you think that shit'll be like fixed for real. But I mean, shit. When it ain't they shit, who I guess they don't give a fuck, right? Shit wild. Can't complain though, this shit pretty smooth now though, I ain't gonna lie. This shit pretty smooth. Probably finna bust me a little U-turn up this road real quick. It's more like a, I guess you could say like a POV type of vlog, dude, you know, like, cause like I said, I can't beat on the car yet, cause I just got it back. He said take it easy, so all I can pretty much do is go through the gears and give it a little bit of gas. I'll say shit, I ain't, you know. So yeah. Remember, this is a BBK cat back exhaust, so it ain't gonna be like too loud, if you ask me. Cause y'all don't know if y'all know, well, y'all should know. I'm used to loud shit, man. Come on, dude. Slow driving ass motherfucker. Shit. Like you ain't got nowhere to go. I didn't want to speed up. Ain't that some shit, dog? Motherfuckers see you coming, then they want to speed up on some dumb shit. Don't make no goddamn sense, dog. Tighten up. I ain't trying to race you now, shit. I'm just getting some gas, shit.